Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go through the process of enabling or disabling 2FA, which is Google authentication on assets.io or through assets.io. It's important to note that if you have set up 2FA for your GX account anywhere in any of the apps, whether it's Nitrous or Instacrypto broker app or this, that, and the other, then your 2FA is going to be required for all of the apps, and you don't need to set it up again, but you will need it for all the apps to log in. And similarly, you can enable your apps. You can enable 2FA from certain apps, and Assets.io just became one of those apps, and maybe it's the easiest one to enable it from, as we made some cool UI implicate interfaces for you to be able to do it. So I'm just going to walk you through it. It's really quick. So I'm already logged into my assets.io account here. All I have to do is I have to click on, well, first I should expand the menu. And this would be the default left-hand side menu that you see. It's set for liquid rates, asset prices, whatever it is. And I'm going to click this little icon. This looks like settings icon, and it opens up something called the control panel for your account. And I'm going to click my account. And as soon as I click my account, the left-hand side menu closes and the chats.io powered bot, the wealth bot as we call it, wealth chat, comes out, and it's open to your settings page. And the option that you click on is configure 2FA. So as soon as you click configure 2FA, it checks if you have 2FA set up for this GX account, this email. If you don't, then it'll say enable. The option will give you is enable. If you do, it'll say disable, because the only thing you could do at that point is disable it. In this case, I don't have it set up yet. I'm going to click enable, and it showed me enable. So now it's asking me, do I want to enable it via QR code, or do I want to enable it via entering the Google security key? You could do both if your camera has a problem or something like that. I'm going to do QR code. So obviously, in order for me to do this, I would have already had to download Google Authenticator on my phone and have it ready to scan. So I'm opening up Google Auth now. Okay, and I'm going to click scan using QR code, and it provides me the QR code that I need to scan. And so from the Google Authenticator app, I can simply take it out and scan. Now there, assets.io got added there, and I would click I'm done. And as soon as I click I'm done, it's giving me the opportunity to enter the latest QR code, the latest 2FA. So I have to do that in order to verify that it is my device. So it's 877-489. And click I'm done. Perfect. And as long as that code is correct, then it recognizes that the device has been set up and my 2FA is enabled on assets.io and all of my GX accounts. The next time I log in, it's going to, and I could go home. The next time I log in, it's going to require me to enter that in order for me to be able to log in, not just here, but on every mobile or web app that you use with this email. So I'll just show you what that looks like. So I just logged out, and now I'm trying to log back in. So I'm going to log back in with my credentials for the email that I was just logged into, actually. And instead of logging me in directly, now it's going to say enter the 2FA. So I look at my Google Auth app and enter the one that just came up. And if that is correct, if the 2FA is correct, then I'll be logged in. And so that's how you enable 2FA from your assets.io device, your assets.io app to your GX email.